What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Drive New Hampshire. Now right now we're in my Z28. We're in the American Muscle, if you couldn't hear it thumping away. We're going to check out the pasta power that's at the Tuscan Kitchen Concorso Italiano. So there's supposed to be some really cool stuff there. There's supposed to be a matte black Carrera GT, which I am really excited to see. I've never seen a Carrera GT before in the flesh. But more importantly, there's going to be Alfredo. That's what I'm really looking forward to. It's just a little bit loud though. Just a little bit. Not a big deal. So we finally made it. The car show is that way, but more importantly, pasta is that way. So let's go check it out.
That's what we're here for right there. Fresh pasta. Yeah! Carguysnewengland.
About to give up, but I've been lazy with it too.
Mercy Spider.
Too, you know, so.
I'll include a link down in the description so you can check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel. He has some awesome content with this Mercy, and I went for a ride in it and nearly crapped my pants, but that's besides the fact. The best part,
that's so funny. Oh my god.
gated manual. That's right. This is like a 1 of 4 car.
And then there's the people that offer.
Get these guys going. Thanks, sir.
This guy's a road legal Indycar. And I don't know how that's street legal possible at all. Headlights. Got the headlights, plate, completely open wheel.
Every driver has.
All right, so
Believe it or not, it's LS swap. This is powered by a Chevy motor. Not sure what LS. There's your tail lights, turn signals, license plate again. The size of the back tires.
I would.
They're absolutely girthy as hell. Don't worry, Ossifer, it is inspected.
is a real deal challenge.
With a gated manual.
Cobra Daytona, one of my favorite cars ever made. I have no idea if it's real. I highly doubt it because there's like 6 in the world.
Racing here.
Boston Sean and I got the best spot.
Yeah.
Michael. Again!
So a cop just actually yelled at us because we were all standing on the corner watching the cars accelerate. I was with Boston Auto Blog and Car Guy 1999 reviews, and the cop actually kicked us out of the street corner. So we hopped behind a fence that was right next door to it, and we continued the accelerations in a worse spot, but I hope I still got some pretty good footage.
Right.
I understand if it's on the street, but
Yeah, if we're on the sidewalk.
I want to see what
No one was in the street.
Yeah, no, we were all right on the sidewalk.
That one hurt a little bit.
Coolest place for a shift pump right there. It's awesome. It's time to see it. Thank you. These ones are blue. They're so that whenever you're on the
without care. She's broke, but it's okay. Hey, it's California, it's foggy and
Oh, the huge one in the middle right there?
Ferrari.
Yeah, there was some Hellcats.
So he doesn't want to, you're not going to?
Comment down below what you guys would rather have. Would you rather have a Dodge Viper or would you rather have a Vet? Any generation.
Okay guys, so that is going to conclude today's festivities at the Tuscan Kitchen. But this show was packed, and it wasn't just packed with, I mean, Hondas. There were some seriously awesome stuff here. I can't believe I haven't gone to this one in the past, but I'm a fan and I will definitely be here in the future. Now, as I said, I was joined by my friends Boston Auto Blog, Car Guy 1999 Reviews, Justin, Photos by JPR, and I will include links to all of their social media handles in the description so you can check them out. But that's it for me today. Time for a boiling ride home in the Z28. But I want to thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to browse my channel and check out some of my other videos and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.